Hello, welcome to Solver. My name is Anita. Today's topic is a very interesting one. What is x? In schools and all of you must have heard the question, find the value of x. And I have heard many asking, what is this x? Why don't we find out what it is? What is x? The simplest explanation is x is a letter or alphabet. Well, who doesn't know that, right? Then what is this x doing in maths? Let's see. We use x to show multiplication sign. Example 3 into 4. Here x is used as a sign to show multiplication. It is not a letter here. In advanced mathematics, x denotes matrix, number, vector or even a function. That is in advanced mathematics. Now we are not going to touch that. We will just keep to the simple things. X is used as a variable. This is what we are going to see today. X is a variable. What is a variable? As the term denotes, variable is something which varies. It is a symbol for a value we don't know yet. It is usually a letter like x or y. For example, in x plus 3 equal to 5, x is the variable. When we solve x plus 3 equal to 5, we get x is equal to 2. That is 2 plus 3 equal to 5. So we get the value of x as 2. If a variable has just one value, why do we say it varies? Let's consider y is equal to x plus 2. In this, if x is equal to 1, the value of y is 1 plus 2 equal to 3. If x is equal to 2, y becomes 2 plus 2 equal to 4. Like this, there are so many values for x and y. That means the values of x and y vary. So it could be just one value or many values. So again, what is x? In simple words, x is the unknown value or the value we need to find out. Now remember, it doesn't have to be x. We can use any letter or symbol instead of x. So x plus 2 could be a plus 2 or p plus 2, etc. But x is the universally preferred letter or the favorite letter for the unknown value. Now how we can use x or where we can use x? First example, Anjaly is Anita's sister. Anjaly is 5 years younger than Anita. Write this as a mathematical expression. So once again, Anjaly is Anita's sister. Anjaly is 5 years younger than Anita. Now what is given in the question? There are two girls, Anjaly and Anita. Now what do we know about Anjaly? Anjaly is 5 years younger than Anita. And do we know anything about Anita? No. So, we don't know anything about Anita's age, but we know Anjaly is 5 years younger than Anita. If we know Anita's age, we can find out Anjaly's age. So, what is the unknown here? Anita's age. So, let's take Anita's age as x. Since Anjaly is 5 years younger than Anita, her age is x minus 5. Anita's age is x. Anjaly is 5 years younger than Anita. So, her age is x minus 5. For example, if Anita is 10 years old, Anjaly is 10 minus 5. That is 5 years old. So, Anita's age is equal to x. Anjaly's age is equal to x minus 5. Second example. Irfan says that he has 7 marbles more than 5 times the marbles Nihal has. Irfan has 37 marbles. How many marbles does Nihal have? Confusing, right? Now the best way to solve a word problem is to divide and conquer. Break the problem down into smaller bits and solve each bit at a time. So the first thing we need to decide is what is x in this question? What is given in the question? There are two boys. Irfan and Nihal. Now we know Irfan has 37 marbles. Do we know the number of marbles Nihal has? No. We need to find that out. So here the unknown is the number of marbles Nihal has. Let's take it as x. Number of marbles Nihal has is equal to x. Now take the part. Irfan has 7 marbles more than 5 times the marbles Nihal has. Now, as I said before, we need to divide and conquer. So divide this into 2 parts. Irfan has 7 marbles more than what? 5 times the marbles Nihal has. So this part, 5 times the marbles Nihal has, we need to do first. We already know the number of marbles Nihal has is equal to x. So 5 times the marbles Nihal has is 5 times x. That is equal to 5x. Now we need to solve the first part. Irfan has 7 marbles more than 5 times the marbles Nihal has. We already found the value of 5 times the marbles Nihal has as 5x. So Irfan has 7 marbles more than 5x. That is 5x plus 7. Number of marbles Irfan has equal to 37. That is already there in the question. So 5x plus 7 is equal to 37. That is our equation. Now what is an equation? An equation says that what is on the left side is equal to what is on the right side of equal sign. Now let's solve this equation. Solving the equation means finding the value of x. To find the value of x, we need to keep only x in the left hand side of equal sign. Our equation is 5x plus 7 equal to 37. There are 2 methods to solve this. Either we neutralize everything except x from the left side of equal sign using the opposite operation, or everything else except x we bring from the left side to the right side of equal sign. Here we are doing the first method. First, we need to remove plus 7 from the left side of equal sign. For that, we need to do the opposite operation. If it is addition, the opposite operation is subtraction, and vice versa. If it is multiplication, the opposite is division, and vice versa. So, for removing plus 7, we need to add minus 7 to the left side of equal sign. And if we are adding minus 7 to the left side of equal sign, we should add minus 7 to the right side of equal sign. Why is that? Because it is an equation. In an equation, the left side and right side are both equal. So if we are doing something in the left side, we are supposed to do that to the right side also. So plus 7 minus 7 is 0. So only 5x remains in the left side. 37 minus 7 is 30. So 5x equal to 30. Now it is 5x here in the left side of equal sign. We need to keep only x in the left side. So we need to remove 5. For removing 5, here the operation is multiplication. 5x is 5 into x. So we should divide 5. 5x divided by 5 is equal to 30 divided by 5. We are dividing 5 in the left side. So we are dividing 5 in the right side also. 5 by 5 is 1. 1 into x, x. 30 by 5 is 6. So the value of x is 6. So the number of marbles Nihal has equal to 6. Next example. A fruit seller had some oranges. He sells 30% of oranges and still has 140 oranges. How many oranges did he have originally? So the fruit seller had some oranges and he sold 30% of that oranges, and still he has 140 oranges left. How many oranges did he have in the beginning? That is the question. Now, what are we supposed to find out here? The total number of oranges the fruit seller had. Now, let's take it as x. So, x is total number of oranges the fruit seller had. Now, what is given in the question? He sold 30% of the total oranges. That is, he sold 30% of x. And number of oranges left is 140. What is the total percentage of oranges? 100%. We know the total percentage of anything is 100%. Now what is the percentage of oranges left? That is total percentage minus percentage of oranges sold. That is 100% minus 30% is equal to 70%. So 70% of oranges are left. And we know the number of oranges left is 140. So 70% of the total number of oranges, that is 70% of x is equal to 140. 70% is 70 by 100. So 70 by 100 into x is equal to 140. So we got the equation now. Now we need to solve it. For solving the equation, we need to keep only x in the left side of equal sign. Everything else we need to bring from the left side to the right side of equal sign. So here in the left side of equal sign, 70 we are multiplying and 100 we are dividing. When we bring it to the right side of equal sign, 100 we are multiplying and 70 we are dividing. Just the opposite operation. Now for solving it, remove 0. Then divide 14 and 7 by 7. We are getting 2 here. So x is equal to 2 into 100 equal to 200. So the total number of oranges the fruit seller had equal to 200. Points to remember. X is the unknown value or the value we need to find out. An equation says that what is on the left side is equal to what is on the right side of equal sign. Solving the equation means finding the value of x. I am giving you a couple of questions for practice. Raju's father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Raju's age. Raju's father is 44 years old. Find Raju's age. Second question. Sachin scored twice as many runs as Rahul. Together, their runs fell 2 short of a double century. How many runs did each one score? Now in these questions, first decide what is x, then form an equation and solve it. After solving the equation, write the answers in the comment box below. Now please remember, you have to write the answers in YouTube only, not in Facebook or WhatsApp. So that's all for today. Happy learning! If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. When you press bell icon, you will get all the notifications. Like, comment and share with your friends and family. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.